RA 1055-7 Kindergarten Education Act. RA 1055-7 Kindergarten Education Act. RA 7722 CHED. RA 7722 CHED. RA 7796 TESDA. RA 7796 TESDA. RA 1425 Rizal Law. RA 1425 Rizal Law. RA 9155 Governance of Basic Education Act. RA 9155 Governance of Basic Education Act decentralizes basic education to empower schools and school heads. It renames DEX to DepEd. RA 9155 or 9155 renames DEX to DepEd. RA 1093-1 RA 1093-1 Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. It provides free tuition and other fees for students in SUCs, LUCs, and TVIs. RA 1093-1 It includes student loan program and tertiary education subsidy. RA 4670 Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. RA 4670 Magna Carta for Public School Teachers defines working conditions, senior salaries, and code of ethics, ensures due process in the disciplinary cases. RA 4670 Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. RA 6655 Free Public Secondary Education Act of 1988. Free Public Secondary Education Act of 1988. RA 6655. It ensures free education in public secondary schools. Key provisions: no collection of tuition and other school fees in public high schools. Encourages access to education among economically disadvantaged students. RA 6655 Free Public Secondary Education Act. Free Public Secondary Education Act. RA 6655. RA 6728 GATSPE. RA 6728 GATSPE. Government Assistance to Students and Teachers in Private Education. It provides financial assistance to students and teachers in private schools. Includes educational service, tuition fee, supplement, and teacher salary subsidy. RA 6728. RA 6728 GATSPE. RA 7610. RA 7610. Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. Anti-Child Abuse Law. RA 7610. Anti-Child Abuse Law. It defines and penalizes acts of child abuse and exploitation, offers protective and legal measures. RA 7610. RA 7610. Child Abuse Law. RA 7877. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. RA 7877. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act covers employer to employee, teacher to student relationships. Institutions must develop mechanisms to handle complaints on the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act. Its purpose: penalizes sexual harassment in the workplace, education, and training environments. RA 7877 Anti-Sexual Harassment. RA 1062-7. RA 10627 Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. It protects students from bullying and violence in schools. RA 10627 Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 protects students from bullying and violence in schools. It requires schools to adopt policies to address bullying, covers physical, verbal, social, and cyberbullying. RA 1062-7 Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. Batas Pambansa Bilang 232 Education Act of 1982 provides for the establishment and maintenance of an integrated system of education. Defines roles of students, teachers, and institutions. Batas Pambansa Bilang 232 Education Act of 1982 defines roles of students, teachers, and institutions. RA 7836 Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. It regulates and professionalizes teaching in the Philippines, establishes the PRC Board for Professional Teachers, sets qualifications, licensure requirements, and code of ethics. RA 7836 Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act. RA 7836 RA 9293 RA 9293 Amendment to RA 7836. It updates provisions for RA 7836, especially teacher qualification requirements. RA 9293 Amendment to RA 7836. It updates provisions for RA 7836, especially teacher qualification requirements. Again, RA 9293. RA 10533. RA 1053 3. Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013.